doing in Timor-Leste since 2019. We've obviously had an MOU for the last 3 years, and this signing today recognises the strength of that MOU and the ongoing commitment of Menzies and the collaboration and capacity building across Timor-Leste as we move forward under the next MOU.
Mon Cristian, objetivo né tu reforça tan One Health. One Health quer dizer que ita estudosa tarefa ba saúde animal né, mas saúde emania hotu.
E antimicrobial.
Ita hui 2019 ba programa de né. Que tarefa agora quando tu tarefa animal ba saúde, tarefa animal né, no mos ba emania. E agora reforça tan ba estudo né. E ne pa por isso que hoje assina contra MOU né.
Agora apoio de orçamento que formação. Que ele explica detalhes.
The MOU is about even providing funding or just for the capacity building?
So it's just for capacity building across. So working with expertise that we have through Menzies to help capacity building for local staff here in Timor-Leste.
Simon Christian, that was funding, that was awesome, okay? Mas for capacity building. Também esta técnica para que temos, que é uma capacidade, mas tem que específico para ser serviço também, tem capacidade para ser serviço também.
Durante tinan tolo haru tiana hosi bisbudi janobi. Na to orasne sit side am sit hetam.
For the last 3 years, what kind of capacity building has she provided to the technicians?
Maybe I can help a little bit. Yeah. So we already have team to help for the understanding the antimicrobial usage untuk register antibiotiku yang dipakai di Timor Leste dan establish data. Waktu kita mulai belum ada data itu, jadi kita bantu establish itu database dan di laboratorium kita ada capacity building, ada mentor sebelum saya Steve, lalu saya lanjutkan untuk capacity building supaya membantu menambah knowledge, pengetahuan dan skill, keterampilan laboratorium, technical skill. It's complicated, but we follow international guideline. Kita ikuti international guideline. Kita juga tadinya tidak ada external assessor, jadi badan yang untuk mengakses, menganalisa apakah sudah berjalan baik, kita sudah ikuti external assessor dan kita akan melakukan external assessor pada bulan ini, September dan Oktober, November. Jadi dari tidak ada menjadi ada, bisa screening patogen, indikator untuk EMR. Jadi ada kuman yang bisa menjadi indikator untuk EMR. Nanti ada presentasi mengenai hasil-hasil yang sudah didapatkan, mungkin itu bisa memperjelas. I hope the presentation after the tea break that explains about the results, the methods, and then the presenters, 3 presenters are actually the mentee that I trained. So hopefully it will show how much capability building has been established within the MAF laboratory, which is the veterinary diagnostic laboratory.
Okay. Diana, okay, depois da minha apresentação, isso é tudo que técnica que manda ser treino, né? Se agora já se quer dar a apresentação, vai dar o testing que moras para que animal, que se dar aqui no laboratório nacional para animal, né? Mesmo nós ajuda para dar capacity building. Ajudamos a estabelecer laboratório animal e né? Para equipamentos, para capacidade de eletricidade, para a mate, ajuda para que meses ajuda.
Sample berapa?
We already tested I think nearly 500 chickens and then now nearly 200 cattle. Cattle. So barak, and the progress municipio for chicken, all municipio, 13 municipio, but for cattle at the moment only from Bobonaro.
Yeah. Atuba sample da manos, né? E 13 distritos, 14 including Aturuto. E Raunen ja Marian Bovenarpet.
So I don't know if they catch that we already have MOU 3 years ago, and this is kind of a
That's why I want to
yeah.
just want to follow up the progress.
Yeah, progress is excellent.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
progress. Okay.
And you see the and we'll show you the progress when we started and what we are now and what will be in the future. Così di presentazione si attua di ini che mi quando mesi stessa molto con Ministero dell'Agricoltura noi a uno sa, agora non sa e poi va futuro dalla non sa.
So, sekarang yang mau rasuman dia fikir saya dah menjadi so Minister Agricultura hala tu preventive also.
All about the diseases, right? What kind of disease actually can actually identify and then prevent?
Prevent
Or
the
prevent
disease. Yeah, spread.
salmonellosis. It's one of them. It's causing mortality 20%, mortalidade, ruat.
20%
But, morbidity, the whole flock get infection, it's 100%. So salmonellosis, it's one of them. And then Campylobacter, no data before, we have data now from both chicken and from cattle. Yeah. I think another one that is so obvious is the record of antimicrobial use. So WOA, World Organization for Animal Health, it's a bit like WHO, but this is for animal health. Supposedly have records from every country, and then Timor-Leste, when we started, there was no data from Timor-Leste. Now we regularly upload data, and the NV actually know how to do it as well at this. And we have one animal health team members always in the placement at the DNV every Wednesday. So that's how we work. We try to be embedded, like going into the system, be part of the DNV team. Like I'm a mentor. I try to be part of the team who process the samples so they can learn further and they listen better, understand better, and they gain the skills and the knowledge.
Let's go back and think about the
Okay. Untuk jangan lupa.
Yeah, but if you can stay for the session.